First problem, find the vertex focus equations of directrix and axis to the following parabolas. First problem, y square is equal to 16x, and the second problem, x square is equal to minus 4y. So first we start the first problem. Here given that first problem is y square is equals to 16x. First we compare this equation with y square is equals to 4ax. Then we get the value 4a is equals to 16. Then the value of a is equals to 4. Now first what we want, vertex. Vertex is equals to formula. Vertex is equals to a is equals to 0 comma 0. To this parabola we take the vertex value a is equal to 0 comma 0. And focus s is equals to a comma 0. That is the formula. But what is a value? A is equals to 4. So answer is 4 comma 0. And axis of parabola. Axis of parabola is, so to this equation, axis of parabola means always we take the left hand side value as the axis of parabola, that is y is equals to 0. And equation of directrix. Equation of directrix means we take the right side value in the equation and we add plus a to this value, that is x plus a is equals to 0. Here we have x at the right hand side. Now we are adding plus a to this equation, that is x plus a is equals to 0. And here we have that a is equals to 4. Therefore the answer is x plus 4 equal to 0. That's all. Now coming to the second problem, second sum. This equation is x square is equals to minus 4y. First we compare this equation with x square is equals to minus 4ay. Then the value of 4a is equals to 4 and the value of a is equals to 1. When we compare these two values, then we get 4a is equals to 4, then a is equals to 1. Now first vertex. Here also to this parabola vertex is equals to 0 comma 0. X square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to minus 4ay. To all these parabolas, always vertex is equals to 0 comma 0. And focus s is equals to 0 comma minus a. Since to the parabola x square is equal to 4ay, focus is equal to 0 comma a. But here we have x square is equal to minus 4ay. So focus is equal to 0 comma minus a, that is 0 comma minus 1. And axis of parabola. Axis of parabola means we take the left hand side value, that is x is equals to 0. This is axis of parabola. And equation of directrix. Equation of directrix means we take the right hand side value which is y minus a equal to 0. Since here we have the term minus a. So y minus a equal to 0. That is y minus, here a is equals to 1. Then y minus 1 equal to 0. First problem, find the points on the parabola y square is equal to 2x whose focal distance is 5 by 2. And the second problem, find the points on the parabola y square is equal to 8x whose focal distance is 10. Most important model, both are A model sums. So find the points on the parabola. We have to find the point on the parabola. Given that focal distance is equal to 5 by 2 and focal distance is equal to 10. So first we are solving the first problem here. Given equation is, given parabola is y square is equals to 2x. Given parabola is y square is equals to 2x. Given that focal distance is equals to 5 by 2. So focal distance formula x plus a. So x plus a is equals to 5 by 2. What is a value here? From this equation we have 4a is equals to 2. When we compare this equation with y square is equal to 4ax, then we get 4a is equals to 2. Then the value of a is equals to 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Here the value of a is equals to 1 by 2. Now we are replacing that 1 by 2 value here. That is x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. Then x is equals to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is 5 minus 1, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equals to 2. Now this is x value. Now we are replacing x is equals to 2 value in the parabola. Y square is equals to 2x, but x is equals to 2. 2 into 2 equals to 4. That is y square is equals to 4. Then the value of y is equals to plus or minus 2. Therefore point on the parabola x comma y is equals to 2 comma plus or minus 2. Now this is the solution of the first problem. Now coming to the second sum. Given parabola is y square is equals to 8x. When we compare this equation with y square is equals to 4ax, then we get the value 4a is equals to 8. 4a equals to 8. Then the value of a is equals to 2. Now given that focal distance is equals to, in this problem given that focal distance is equals to 10, that is x plus a is equals to 10, that is x plus, what is a value? A is equal to 2, x plus 2 is equal to 10, then the value of x is equals to 10 minus 2, that is 8. Now we are replacing this x is equal to 8 value in the given parabola. So here given parabola is y square is equals to 8x, that is y square is equals to 8 into 8 equal to 64, then the value of y is equals to plus or minus 8. Y square is equal to 64, then y is equal to plus or minus 8. Therefore, the point on the parabola x comma y is equals to 8 comma plus or minus 8. That's all. Next problem, find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is 3 comma minus 2 and focus is 3 comma 1. That is the first problem. And find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 1 comma minus 7 and vertex is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Both are same model. So here first we solve the first problem. Given that vertex is equals to 3 comma minus 2, vertex means that is A, and focus is equals to 3 comma 1, that is S, given that these two values. Now first we draw the diagram, x-axis, y-axis. These are x-axis and y-axis. First point 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. Now this is the point 3 comma minus 2 vertex. And next point 3 comma 1. This is 3, 1. This is the point 3 comma 1 focus. Now what is the equation of the parabola? This is the equation of the parabola. Vertex focus. Now this is axis of parabola and this is the shape of the parabola. Now clearly from this diagram we can say that the equation of the parabola is x minus h whole square is equal to 4 into y minus k. So here we have the vertex h comma k. We take the equation of the parabola is x minus h whole square is equal to 4 into y minus k. So first we find the distance between them. What is small a? Small a is equals to as, distance between the given points, that is 3 minus 3 whole square, 0 plus minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square, that is 9 equals to 3. Therefore, and vertex h comma k is equals to 3 comma minus 2. This is vertex. Therefore, equation of parabola is, here the formula is, from this diagram clearly we can say that the equation of the parabola is x minus h whole square is equals to 4a into y minus k. Now replacing the values, x minus 3 whole square is equals to 4 into 3 into y minus 2, y plus 2. That is x minus 3 whole square is equals to 12 into y plus 2. That's all. This is the first problem. Now coming to the second sum. In the second sum, given that vertex is equals to 1 comma minus 2 and focus S is equals to 1 comma minus 7. Now here also we take the diagram, x-axis, y-axis. First point 1 comma minus 7, that is 1 minus 7. This is focus and focus S, and vertex is equal to 1 comma minus 2. This is vertex. So clearly here the shape of the parabola is like that. Now this is the axis of parabola. Now what is the equation of this parabola? X minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. So here a is equal to distance between the 2 points a comma s, that is square root of 1 minus 1 whole square, that is 0 plus minus 2 plus 7 whole square, that is 7 minus 2, 5 square, 25, that is as is equals to 5. And here given that h comma k is equals to 1 comma minus 2. Therefore equation of parabola is x minus h whole square is equals to minus 4a into y minus k. That is x minus 1 whole square is equals to minus 4 into 5 into y minus 2, y plus 2. So the answer is x minus 1 whole square is equals to minus 20 into y plus 2. That's all. If 1 by 2 comma 2 is one extremity of a focal chord of a parabola, y square is equal to 8x, and find the coordinates of the other extremity. So given that first here we have one parabola, that is y square is equals to 8x. When we compare this equation with y square is equals to 4ax, then we get the value of 4a is equals to 8, then the value of 8a is equals to 2, then the value of a is equals to 2. Now what is given? One extremity of the focal chord. So first we write that value as one extremity of focal chord is equals to this is given as 1 by 2 comma 2. Since this is a point on the parabola, we take this point is equals to 80 square comma 280. So 80 square comma 280 is equals to 1 by 2 comma 2. Now we are equating any of the two values. Just I equate the second values, that is 280, that is 280 is equals to 2. Then 80 is equals to 1. But what is a value? A is equal to 2. That is 2t is equals to 1 and the value of t is equals to 1 by 2. Now we want the coordinates of the other extremity. Therefore, other extremity of focal chord is equals to other extremity of focal chord equals to, the formula is a by t square comma minus 2a by t. Now what is a value? A is equals to 2 by, what is t value? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. And this is minus 2 into 2 by 1 by 2. So answer is 2 into 4, 8 comma minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Now this is the other end of the focal chord. Now this is the other extremity of the focal chord. That's all.